So, have you ever been interested in building a book nook or some kind of miniature? Well, this is a new book nook from Mini City that I just got, and we're going to see what's inside. What can you expect when you open your first book nook? Well, here it is. You're going to get this little pouch, and it's going to have maybe glue in it or tweezers, maybe some extra parts or delicate parts. You see the mirror there. Those are actually stickers. They're not all the same. You might get glue, you might not, you might get tweezers, you might not, but you're going to get some kind of accessory pouch. And then you're going to get some extra pieces, maybe some more delicate pieces or different pieces. This one actually has plastic pieces, which I've never seen before. Usually it's all wood, but these plastic pieces obviously won't be in the wood frames. All right, let's see what else we got here. So this is actually called a dust cover. It'll go on the front. And then you have the lights and the battery pack. The majority of book nooks come with this, so lights and battery pack. Now, this one has stickers, but some of them will just have paper cutouts that you have to cut out with scissors and glue. But this one actually, yep, you can see, these are actually stickers, which has its plus and minuses. But stickers can be easier to make books with, especially. This is the main event here. These are the wood frames with all of the pieces. These ones are, shrink wrapped together. Sometimes they are, sometimes they're not, just depends. But those are all the wood pieces there. And of course, you have the most important thing, the directions. This is a Phantom of the Opera one that I'm going to be building. And, the directions are going to show you all the parts, everything that should be in the box. And, sometimes they're in sections like, hey, this is part one, part two. Sometimes they're not. And so that's it, guys. That's what you will find in most boxes when you open a book nook.